Hi guys, welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the title and from the thumbnail and also from how I look, today's video is on green in my makeup series. Today I create this kind of dramatic green eye look with a little pop of like neon in the inner corner, very bold black lip, and yeah, that's about it. I am in a little different outfit, just like a Shelly scarf on right now because I filmed a TikTok. Free to follow me on there if you want to for some random videos that I don't even know what I'm doing on there. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So to jump into today's video, I think I'm going to do the eyes first. And yeah, this is Bella. It's her 1 year gotcha day. She's sleeping. I'm going to start off with a concealer. This is just the Milani concealer. I'm going to put it on my lids. Just a small amount. I use this just pretty much to even out the tone of my eyelids. And then I'm going to use it for also as a base. Buffing it on. Just praying that this lighting looks better. If not, oh well. So to start off with this look, I think, yeah, I think, cut myself off before. I think I'm feeling like a sexy, dark vibe, you know? And again, I'll be using my tried and true BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo palette for the color green here, the bamboo. Probably use the Armand Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Morphe collection. Dark Magic palette, not Armand Gorgeous. I'm actually going to start off with the Trendy in Tokyo palette. I'm going to dip into bamboo. And this is going to be like my crease transition shady color kind. This will be the main green that you see. To just buff out the edge slightly, I'm going to take just Karaoke and just buff that edge. I don't want to show too much yellow. I mainly want it to be green, but just to give that blend a little bit better. Now I'm going to go back in with that green again, just to vibrant it up. I'm bringing a deeperness into this because this is what we're going to get dark. Morphe Dark Magic palette. And I'm going to go in with, let's go with Inside Job first. Outer corner of the eye onto the center of the lid. It looks ugly now, but we're going to get there. Flat brush because I don't want to use my finger. I'm going to take Trickery, the like matty green shade, or not matte, sparkly green shade, and start packing that right on the lid. I might have to use my finger because I feel like it might work better. And we're going to begin buffing this edge of this mess. Use bamboo for that. Next, I want to deepen it up even more. So I think I'm going to take a black, and I think there's a black in this palette. There was, I broke it, kidding. I want to take the black from the Body Shop because it's like one of the only blacks I really like and seemed to not shatter on me. So I'm going to take that black from the Body Shop and put that on my outer crease, the very outer. So I just started drawing a liquid liner, like a cat eye. I think I just want to extend it just a little bit more. skin dry on me. Continue with the eyes. I'm going to move on to the face. So, just going to take a cotton pad and wipe below my eyes in case there's any residual fallen eyeshadow. I believe I said in my last video, or color series video, the yellow one, that I didn't buy a full size yet, so I bought one. It's just my birthday gift to myself. Going in with my foundation, the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is the shade 09 Tan. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this in today. I'm well aware that this does not look like it matches me. I get it. I worked outside all summer and I wore a face mask all summer outside, so my forehead is way darker than the rest of my face. And begin to tap that in around the edges first. Then go closer to the under eye, and this will help. When the longer you leave it wait, the longer it'll dry down. With this concealer, I don't need to leave it dry down long, just to get all the coverage I want. The brush we used on the eyes, and that's where we're going to begin to go right below the inner, go right near the inner corner along this edge. Like, this is full coverage. I do want a little bit of color on my cheeks. So just going to take my Colourpop blush stick in the shade Under Pressure. And I'm going to put this on now to add some color to my cheeks. Just trying out a new powder today. So it's actually the Fenty Beauty powder, and I got in the shade Cashew. I decided I want to try it, so I just got the mini of it. So I'm excited. First impression that this is smooth. Very smooth powder, wow. I just have a smell that I'm not used to. I'm gonna jump right back into the eyes. So taking just this small blending brush, or kind of pointed, tapered, blendy type brush, is before taking Bamboo. I'm just gonna put this right near the outer corner. I know what I want to put in my inner corner. I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a wasabi on my inner corner. Ooh, damn. Yeah. That looks bomb. That looks so good. Just going to quickly tightline and waterline. So right now, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm using the Morphe 39A palette and begin to bronze and sculpt. So I'm actually gonna quickly go fix my hair, change my outfit, and then come right back to to finish off the face and figure out what I'm gonna put on my lips. I'm kind of feeling daring. So I figured a leather jacket feels good for this. And for my hair, I was like, since it's kind of like, but like, I'm going to set my face using the Body Shop setting spray. Just on the flat clean side and dabbing it on to press all these powders together. And because I am feeling daring for my lips, so I'm going to take this is just a Mary Kay liquid eyeliner. I'm not a fan of this, so I'm just going to use it on my lips. Use it around the edges just to create that really sharp line. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Colourpop liquid lipstick in Bullchic, or not liquid lipstick, Lippie stick, and fill everything in. And this is the look.